Good morning, children. Let us see question number 5 of exercise 6.5. That is the last exercise of the chapter. That is, see question number 5, what it states. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. What does it mean? A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter. A tree is there like this. A tree is vertical, tree is there. Clear? A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter. Clear? At a height of 5 meter. And it touches at a height of 5 meter from the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree, and its top touches the ground at a height of at a distance of 12 meter, that is 12 meter. Okay, children. Now see, then find the original height of the tree. This is what? This is your tree total. This is tree. Clear? Let it be A here. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Here this is height 5 up to here. It is, this height is 5 meter. This is 5 meter, and this is 12 meter. And this, now here, since children, this part is this tree AC is there. Clear? And it is from the height of 5 meter it is broken. So this and this is now, and its touch, and its top touches the ground. This top, it is broken from here. Clear? And this top touches the ground, means this height equal to this AB equal to BD. Okay, AB equal to BD. This is important point. Then you have to find out the original height of the tree, that is AC. Okay, let us find out. That is given. What is given in the question, children? That is, let AB, AC, let AC be the original height of the tree. Here BD, BC, and this and BC equal to 5 meter. Clear? Also DC equal to 12 meter. AB equal to BD, AB equal to BD. This is given. Since it is broken from B, that is 5 meter away from the base of the tree. So this AB equal to BD, it is given. Now to find, we have to find what we have to find. We have to find the original height of the tree, that is AC. We have to find out here, children. Okay, now let us find solution, that is calculation. Children, here now in triangle BCD, angle C equal to 90 degree. This implies that BD square equal to BC square plus DC square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, children, this implies that put the values. BD square equal to what is BC? BC is given to be 5 square plus DC is 12 square. This implies that BD square equal to 5 5 is 25 plus 12 12 is 144, which is equal to 5 plus 4 equal to 9 and 4 plus 2 equal to 6, and this is 1. This implies that BD square equal to 169. This implies that BD equal to under root 169, and this is equal to prime factorization of 169 equal to 13 into 13. This implies that BD equal to 13. BD equal to 13 meter. Now BD is equal to 13. Now the original height, that is AC, this implies that now BD, now AB equal to BD, AB equal to BD equal to how much? 13 meter. Okay children. Now AC, now original height of the tree, original height of the tree equal to AC, and this AC equal to AB plus BC equal to what is AB? AB is found out to be 13 meter plus BC is 5 meter. Okay, this implies that what? This implies that AC equal to 13 plus 5, 18 meter. Okay children, so 18 meter was the original height of the tree children, and now you can verify it by putting the values. Okay children, this in this way your question number 5 is over. Okay, now let us move to question number 6. That is, question number 6 is just verification. Here, what is question number 6? Let us see. Question number 6 states that angle Q, figure is given to be like this. A figure is given. Clear here. It is given to be like this. This is P, Q and R is there. P, Q, R is there. This angle is given to be 25 degree, and this angle R is given to be 65 degree. Okay, angle Q and R of triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. Then you have to find out the relationship. Here children, say, start solution. Give what is given. Angle Q equal to 25 degree, angle R equal to 65 degree. Clear? Then what? This is given. Now children, then what will you find out? Then what? Then what? Angle, now children, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. That is by angle sum property of a triangle. This implies that angle P, that is what? Angle P, we have to angle P equal to, that is angle P equal to angle P plus angle Q equal to 25 degree plus angle R equal to 65 degree equal to 180 degree. This implies that angle P equal to 5 plus 5 10, 6 and 1 7 and 2 9. This is 90 degree. This is angle P plus 90 degree, that is angle P plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. That is, this implies that angle P equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. This implies that angle P equal to 90 degrees. So angle P also you have found out. Angle P is found out to be 90 degree. This implies that when angle P is 90 degree, then what will happen? Side opposite to the right angle, that is hypotenuse, This implies that what? This implies that QR square. This implies that QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square will be the relationship. Here that is by Pythagoras theorem. PR square, that is by Pythagoras, P by Thagoras, Pythagoras theorem. Here that is side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse, and square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. So which relationship is true out of three? PQ square plus PR is RP square equal to QR square. So second answer is true. That is second answer. Second one is correct. Okay children, this is your answer. Now coming to the next question children. What is the next question? Question number 7 is 7 and 8 are very much important of this exercise. That is question number 7. Let us see. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Let's see. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter. A rectangle is given to be there. A rectangle is there. You know that what is rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Whose rectangle is a parallelogram whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay children. Let A, B, C, D. Let ABCD be a rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter. Length is 40 centimeter. This is 40 centimeter. Clear? And a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Diagonal is, what is the diagonal? This is diagonal AC and BD. A diagonal is 41 centimeter. Okay children? Right? Now then find the perimeter. What is given? Given rectangle ABCD such that what? Length AB equal to CD equal to 40 centimeter, and diagonal AC equal to 41 centimeter. To find what we have to find? Find perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Let us find children. Now in triangles, you see, you know that all the four angles of a rectangle are right angle. Clear children? Now in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Okay. Angle B equal to 90 degree. This implies that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. How it happened? By Pythagoras theorem. You know that? See, by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. This implies that AC square, AC is given children. We have to find out BC. This implies that BC square equal to AC square minus AB square. By transposing, this implies that BC square equal to AC is given to be 41 and its square minus AB square is what? AB square is 40 square. Now solve it. 41 into 41, that is, see, 41 into 41, 1 1 ja 1, 1 4 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, that is 1, that is 8, and this is 16. This is 1681, 1681 minus 14, 14 into 14, 4 4 ja 16, and this 4 zeros are there. This is equal to 81. So what we have found out, children, this is now 1681. BC square equal to 41 square minus 40 square equal to 1681 minus 1600 equal to 81, means we have found out what we have found out. We have found out BC square. We have found out BC square, that is BC square equal to 81. This implies that BC equal to under root 81, and this 81 can be written as 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Now make the pair, that is this is equal to what? BC equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 centimeter it is given. BC equal to 9 centimeter. What is BC, children? Now BC you have found out to be 9 centimeter, that is breadth of the rectangle. What is this? This is breadth, BREADTH. Now perimeter of the rectangle ABCD equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, children, 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into what is the length? Length is given to be 40 centimeter plus breadth is given to be 9 centimeter. Now solve it out, that is 2 into 49. This is equal to 2 into 49, 2 9 is 18, 1 is carry over, 2 4 is 8 and 1 9, that is 98 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle ABCD equal to 98 centimeter we have found out. Okay, children, so this is how clear one important question you have solved. Clear? This is the view of this question. Clear? This is not very difficult. Clear? If you go systematically, you can solve it properly and systematically. Now the last question of the exercise. Last question of the exercise is this one. What is it? Let us see. Question number 8. What does it state? What does it state? The diagonals of a rhombus is there, children. What is rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all the four sides are equal, and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Okay, children, this is your rhombus. What is this? A, B, C, D. What is this? This is rhombus. Here diagonal of a rhombus measures 16 centimeter. These are the diagonals. Diagonals of a rhombus are not equal. This is 16 centimeter. Total is 16 centimeter. Clear? And 30 centimeter. This is actually bigger diagonal, that is 30 centimeter. And this is what? This is given to be 16 centimeter. Okay, children? Then find the perimeter. What is given? Let us see. Given a rhombus, RHOMB, a rhombus ABCD. The property of a rhombus is all the four sides are equal. Clear? And the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Okay, a rhombus ABCD such that the diagonals AC equal to 30 centimeter and BD equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, children, what we have to find? We have to find out the perimeter of perimeter of rhombus A B C D. Let us find, children. Here we know that now we we know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. What does it mean? It means that this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. Okay, children, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. This is bisect and right angle, two things are there. Bisect means to divide into two equal parts. The right angle means at 90 degree, that is 90 degree. When 90 degree angle is made, then what? Then triangle is right angle triangle, and when triangle is right angle triangle, then we can use the Pythagoras property. Okay, children, now this implies that since the diagonals bisect each other, this implies that let this be O, this point of intersection be O, then AO equal to CO. AO means this one, AO equal to CO equal to AC upon 2 equal to what is AC? AC is given to be 30 upon 2 equal to 15 centimeter. Means AO equal to CO equal to 15 centimeter, and also BO equal to DO. BO equal to DO equal to BD upon 2, that is 16 upon 2, that is 2 8 just 16, this is 8 centimeter. So AO, BO, CO, DO, this you have found out. Now in triangle AOB, angle AOB equal to 90 degree. This implies that what? Side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse, and it is longest side. Then AB square equal to AO square plus BO square. Why? By Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. Pythagoras PROPERTY. Okay, children. Now this implies that AB square equal to what is AO? AO is given to be 15 centimeter, that is 15 square, plus what is BD? What is BD, children? Sorry, not BD. AB square equal to AO square plus BO square. What is BO? BO is 8 square, 8, and its square, that is now 15 square equal to 225 plus 8 square equal to 64. This is equal to 5 plus 4 equal to 9, and this is 6 plus 2 equal to 8, and this is 289. Okay, children, this implies that let us go to the next part. That is, this implies that what? This implies that, children, this implies that this BC AB square equal to AB square, here AB square equal to 15 square plus 8 square equal to 225 plus 64 equal to 289. This implies that AB is equal to under root 289. Okay, now what is the prime factorization of 289? Clear? This implies that it is 17 into 17. Clear? This 289 will be divided by 17 only, and its prime. This implies that AB equal to, make pair AB equal to 17 centimeter. So 17 is the square root of 289. Here now we have to find out the perimeter, children. Now AB equal to 17 centimeter. This implies that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to 17 centimeter. That is 17 centimeter, as this is rhombus, RHOMBS. All the four sides of rhombus are equal. This implies the perimeter of the rhombus ABCD equal to 4 into side. That is 4 into side is given to be 17 centimeter. This implies 17 for ja. That is 17 for the 68. That is 4. Okay, children, 68 centimeter. Clear, children? So this is 4 into side. That is 4 into 17, and 17 for just 68. That is 68 centimeter is this one. What? Perimeter of rhombus is 68 centimeter. That you have found out. Okay, children. So this is now this exercise came to an end. Clear, children? This exercise now the next chapter is congruence of triangles. Clear, children? Congruence of triangle, that is chapter 7. We will take it up clear in the next class. That is because now the video is going to be very large and it will be very difficult to upload it. Clear? Now, children, see this question number, this exercise 6.5 is completely over, and you are supposed to what? Solve it properly once again, so that you can solve it in your examination to get the your confidence level boosted. Clear? Solve it yourself. Clear? And find the answer. Don't see the answer from the book at the beginning. Clear? Go through the question again and again and try to solve it yourself. Okay, children? Thank you and have a nice day.